You are going to love the 2014 Highlander. The Highlander is the SUV that's thought of everything. The Highlander offers seating for up to 7 and features Toyota's innovative center stow design. The second row bench seat folds away, leaving a pair of captain's chairs. A 2010 top safety pick, the Highlander is where substance meets style. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, power lift gate, navigation system, dual airbags, air conditioning, alloy wheels, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener. Come take a test drive today.